Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you are watching DigiTwise. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Gemini app on Mac. So first up, open any browser you have and then go to gemini.google/Mac or else search Google Gemini app for Mac and then go to the first suggested website. I'll also attach this link in the description so you can directly click on it and land to this page. Now next, click on download for Mac button and it will start downloading. So wait until it's done, and once the .dmg file installed, go to Finder. After that, click on download in the sidebar and here you can see Gemini.dmg file. Right click on it and the installer will open. Here drag Gemini to applications and then go to applications. After that, find Gemini and right click on it. And as soon as the pop-up appears, click on open and a pop-up will appear asking you that you have downloaded Gemini from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Here click open and that's it. I have previously installed Gemini on my Mac. That's why it doesn't ask me to sign in. But in your case, you may need to sign in first and then you can start using Gemini. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.